shit, that's fresh. Well, hello. It is hot as hell here in New York City. Okay, I just had the AC on full blast. I turned it off because it's loud. This is just a vodka soda it's a vodka tonic because it was the lightest thing I could think to drink today, of course, with a hint of lime. So today is all about beauty pie. If you don't know what beauty pie is, well, you've come to the right place. I was actually turned on to this brand by a subscriber of mine, Emily, and I can't thank Emily enough because everything she sent me, I fell in love with. So when Beauty Pie reached out to me and was interested in sponsoring a video, I was like over the moon because I already loved the brand so much. So thank you so much to Beauty Pie for partnering with me on this video. I have some skincare, I have some makeup, but first things first, I want to tell you a little bit about the brand because it is very innovative. It's very different from anything else. So Beauty Pie is the first membership for beauty lovers. So think of like Costco for beauty. You're getting luxury high-end products at a fraction of the price because they're cutting out the middleman. Basically, you choose a membership and you can shop up to your monthly spending limit. It really is such a cool concept, and Beauty Pie was kind enough to give my subscribers a code for 1 month free membership if you use the code CATESENTME. So, I mean, take advantage of that because it's for free though. Also, I want to point out that if you are a person who's just not comfortable with a membership or whatever, you don't have to become a member in order to buy the products. So I love the fact that it gives you that flexibility. Also, it's not just makeup. Like I mentioned, I'm going to show you some skincare as well. They have fragrance, they have candles. I just love that this gives so many more people the opportunity to get high quality products for not that much money. So let's dive right in. This is kind of like a try-on style video. The only product that didn't make sense for me to try on in front of you on camera is the Super Healthy Skin Hot Oil Double Cleansing Balm. So this I have been using as my go-to cleanser, and you guys know I'm a big fan of a double cleanse. I always double cleanse my skin, but this is literally called Hot Oil Double Cleansing Balm. So I have to say, after I film, I have a full face of makeup on, I've been using this and I feel like I actually don't have to use anything afterward, which is pretty amazing. I mean, of course you still can if you like, but that is how effective this cleansing balm is. So I am going to be referring to the website just to give you like the nitty-gritty details on this stuff because there's so many advanced ingredients in so many of these products. There's no way I'm going to remember it all on my own. So this is made in Japan, and it also has aloe juice and nice and rich rice bran oil. And the awesome thing about this is it heats up. I actually used this morning in the shower just to wake up my face, and I literally felt like I stepped out of a spa. Like I gave myself just a lovely facial massage. It slowly heated up, and then I just gradually add water and it becomes kind of milky, and then I just wash it off with either, splashing water on my face or using a hot towel. So I'm going to also tell you what each of these items would normally cost as compared to what you pay if you're a member. This would normally be $50, but if you're a member, you get it for $14.06. What? So the next product is a face moisturizer. This is the Jeju Daily AM/PM Moisture Super Infusion. This is made with micro minerals and Daphne flower stem cells. Guys, if you are looking for a rich, super hydrating face cream, this is your girl. I have been using it in the morning and at night. They do send a little handy dandy spatula, and this is what the product looks like. It feels very thick. Almost when you go in, it feels like a little bit waxy, but the minute it touches the warmth of your hand, it just glides on. And oh, you guys, the scent of this is absolutely phenomenal. Like this feels like and smells like a spa experience. So I have to read this to you because the Jeju volcanic sand gently blots shine from your oily spots, while a multi-active hydrating complex transforms dull, dry skin to be positively dewy. This is so good. I have honestly been using this like just as a primer because I love using skincare as a primer before makeup. This is hydrating, it's plumping. When I apply it, I feel like I can definitely see the difference and I just look healthier. The typical price for this would be $80. If you're a member, you're going to get it for $12.35. Honestly, the skincare that was sent to me by the company is off the damn hook. I would repurchase this in a hot second. Okay, and moving on to some body care. I love this so much that I featured it in my Summer Things I'm Loving video that I just put out. This is the Super Healthy Skin Deluxe Moisture Body Cream. Oh, damn it, makes me angry. The scent is so intoxicating. This is made with softening hibiscus flower oil droplets and nourishing shea butter. This is so luxe, and when I put it on my body, I feel like it takes very little effort, which for me is a big deal because I've mentioned this before, but you know, I'm not a small gal, okay? There's a lot of space to cover over here. So sometimes I forgo putting on body lotion. I know, it's not great, but I have done it in the past because I'm lazy. Sometimes I'm like, oh God, this is gonna take forever. You know, you're like putting on the lotion, you gotta make sure everything gets rubbed in. You can see how thick and rich this looks, and it really is. But what's incredible is it goes on so easily, and I don't feel like I have to really rub it in. Like, I'm done. It's infused with sustainable cold pressed hibiscus flower, meadow foam oils, liquid shea butter, and essential oils of orange, tangerine, geranium, and tonka bean. That's why it smells so damn good. The typical price for this is $70, but if you're a member, you're gonna get it for $17.53. So that's all the skincare the company sent me. And again, I would repurchase every single one of these products. Okay, so now we're gonna get into some makeup. I wanna thank Beauty Pie so much for sending a lot of these products my way. Some of them are newish for me, and some of them I already had beforehand. Starting with the primer, this is the All-in-Wonder Tinted Illuminating Primer. I used this the other night in my live stream, and I really, really loved it. And you guys know that oftentimes with primer, I'll just use skincare, like I said before. This I really loved, and I'm gonna apply it right before your very eyes. But let me just tell you that this would be a perfect thing to also just wear on its own. It blends into your skin and really does give you that, like, I just got a facial situation. That glow is real. So this has diamond core powder in it, and it also has vitamin E. So there is a skincare element to this. I mean, this is something that, you know, if I didn't feel like putting on makeup, but I was just going out and about and I want to look just polished and refreshed, I would just throw this on. Like, look at how beautiful that looks. So the typical price for this is $32, but if you're a member, you're gonna pay $7.78 for it. Yeah, really loving this for an illuminating primer. I don't have a foundation from Beauty Pie, so I just stepped off camera, did my foundation. This is the Super Luminous Under Eye Genius. This is basically for dark circles under your eyes. It comes in 2 different shades. I have it in the lightest, which is light medium. The way that it's meant to be used, the way they suggest using it, is putting it over your eye cream and under your favorite concealer. So we're gonna try that method today, but I just have to say, and you'll probably see, I think I could just wear this by itself. It's just so light and so perfect for me. So this has essential fatty acids to moisturize and smooth fine lines, and it has linoleic acid and vitamin E for delicate skin barrier repair. And you barely, well, at least for me, I barely need anything. Like, I just touch my finger into the container. Hello, bright eyes. And now I'm just gonna take my concealer and go over it with that. Just beautiful. And like I said, for me personally, I think I probably didn't even need to put a concealer over this, but you know, I'm not mad about it. Wow, just so wide-eyed, so fresh looking. I can't believe how little of this I had to use. Like, this is gonna take me approximately 50 years to get through this. The typical price for this is $25. If you're a member, you would get this for $8.26. Again, this is the light medium, and this is made for blue toned dark circles, but if you have brown toned dark circles, you should definitely do the medium deep shade. Okay, so I went ahead and just like very lightly powdered like my under eye and my T-zone and all that good stuff. So I'm moving on to one of my favorite cream blushes, period. You guys know I am a cream blush fanatic. This I actually had prior to the company sending me any of their product. This is the Super Cheek Cream Blush in the shade Universal Pink. So this is a Goldilocks formula, okay? Like when you put your finger on it, it is emollient, it blends beautifully, but I will also say that it's not like the dewiest of the dewiest cream blushes. Hence why it's Goldilocks. It's kind of like in between. It maintains a little bit of dewiness, but it also mattifies a little bit as well. So it lays down really gorgeously. Like, what in the hell is even going on? This is stunning. Again, this is called Universal Pink. This would look gorgeous on any skin tone. Oh, just so beautiful, so flattering. So the cream blushes come in 4 different shades. You would typically pay $30 for this, but members get it for $8.51. Cannot say enough about this cream blush. I just think it is so gorgeous. Okay, so this is the One Palette Wonder. This is a palette after my own heart because you guys know I'm basic, okay? I'm basic. I like a one and done situation, and that's exactly what this is. Such a great travel palette. Just throw this in your bag and go. So this comes in 2 different shades. This is the Warm Naturals. It also comes in a Cool Naturals palette. I used this the other night, and it really is just a lovely, super wearable palette. Today, I'm going to be using the bronzer and the highlighter. The highlighter blew me the hell away, so I can't wait to show you that. The shadows are beautiful as well. I especially love this bronzy shade right here. Oof, look at that. However, I did use all those shadows in my live stream, and I have another shadow to show you coming up. So if you want to see what these shadows look like in the finished look, definitely I'm going to link my live stream down below. You can check that out and see. But it basically involved me taking this gorgeous bronzy shimmer all the way up to my brow bone 80s style, which is like my favorite thing to do, and it was gorge. So I'm going to go in with this bronzer right here. Just go ahead and warm things up, make sure everything looks nice and even. Wow, okay, so I have to say I'm really impressed with this bronzer. When I apply this in my live stream, you know, obviously I'm doing those at night, so I don't get that like really intense daylight streaming in like I'm getting right now, and wow, I am even more impressed with this bronzer than I thought. Okay, wow, I like this palette even more now. Okay, so this bronzer is knocking it out of the park. I'm going to set this palette aside and come back to it in order to do the blush and the highlight in just a little bit. Guys, these damn Wonder Color long wear cream eyeshadow sticks, I can't. You know how I feel about a one and done cream shadow, and I really feel like these are so next level. So this shade is called Velvetina, and this is a lilac shimmer. I think that's what I'm gonna rock today. I feel like I would be remiss if I did not tell you about this phenomenal shade. This is a bright matte lilac shade, and it's called Lilas or Lilas. This blends out so beautifully. I wore this months and months ago in a video. I got so many compliments on this. I find it's kind of difficult for a cream shadow to be matte and also blend as well as this and also be as pigmented as this. What in the actual hell? So going in with Velvetina. Okay, that literally took me under a minute. It blended so perfectly, and I forgot how much I love this shade. It's kind of like that taupey, lilac-y, but like with a hint of pink in it. It's really flattering. It's not too cool tone. The typical price for these is $28 a piece, but if you're a member, you pay $5.87. So I threw on some brows, and now I'm going to move on to mascara. This mascara is blowing my mind, okay? So this is the Uber Volume Boost Velvet Formula Mascara. I was informed by the company that they may be running a little bit low in stock of this. So if you're wanting to try the mascara, but you can't get a hold of this exact one, I was told that the Massive Fan 360 mascara is comparable to this. So this is what the brush looks like, and I have been wearing this nonstop. So the thing I love about this is it really does go on like velvet. It slides onto your lashes. It is not only giving you length, it is also giving you volume. And I can just keep going in, and it doesn't clump up. This not only comes in super black, which is what I have on, it also comes in brown, which is very exciting because I have several friends who are always on the hunt for a really nice brown mascara. So this has natural waxes, organic shea butter, vitamin E, and a nylon spiral fiber brush for great lash grip and quick controllable application. The typical price for this is $30. Members will pay $7.59. Get this if you can. Okay, so moving on to lipstick. This is the Future Lipstick Matte, and this is the shade Power Up Pink. I owned this previously, love it. This goes on so creamy. I don't even feel like I'm putting on a matte lipstick. It feels kind of like a cream lipstick. Yeah, just so comfortable, so beautiful. It is moisturizing and softening, and it is a super light, luxurious pigment plus hydration, regeneration, and antioxidants. Typical price for this is $25. Members are going to pay $5.54. And then we're going to hit that one palette wonder up again, and I am going to just double blush with that beautiful rosy blush shade. Just a little bit, because again, that cream blush is just so beautifully pigmented. This is going to ensure that our blush really stays all day. Oof, oof, oof. So good. Okay, and then going in with this highlighter shade, I'm so excited to show you this because I was blown away by this. I mean, like, get the hell out of town. You know, I'm a big fan of a cream highlight. Like, that's what I'm gravitating toward a lot right now. But honestly, this looks like a cream highlight. Like, that's how well this is blending, and that's how just beautiful and natural it looks. Need I say more? Okay guys, so this is the finished summertime beauty pie look, and I love this brand. I really do. I want to thank Beauty Pie again so much for sponsoring this video and also sending me all this incredible product. If you guys want to try that free month of membership, please use CATESENTME at checkout. Take advantage of it if you can. It's a great deal, and then you can judge for yourself. But I just feel like everything I put upon my visage is next level. Thank you guys so much for joining me. Like I said, everything I used will be down below in the description box. Okay, but maybe just like a little bit more highlight. You guys stay safe out there, and cheers till next time. Bye.